Hey guys, it's Jack Coates, and I was in charge of the research method on how we're gonna figure out the target audience for the fishbowl and why they're going there, and the social classes these people stand in. We're specifically focusing on their social class and their opinion on the fishbowl. Um, in this case, we're gonna get unbiased opinions because they're what's most necessary for this research method, and we're going to get the most accurate rating of the fishbowl and their audience they're attracting by getting these unbiased opinions. Having a good variety of people is best when conducting this research method. Um, this can include race, social class, gender, age, um, maybe their job title, stuff like that, their experiences, etc. And any other information here. I'll show you the next slide. So here is we did a survey. Uh, Surprise. Um, we only surveyed people that were familiar with the fishbowl or that have been there. So I interviewed a guy. I'm not going to give his name, but this is just what he filled out for his survey. So we're going to go through that here. He told us that it was a very chill atmosphere and a fun bar to go to, whether you're young, middle aged, or older. So it sounds like there's a good variety of people. And he also said it's very friendly. He prefers no crowds, so it sounds like Fishbowl might not be very crowded. I'm not old enough to go, so I can't, tell you from first perspective. We asked him if he would prefer the Fishbowl, Go Burrito DJ, or City Tavern, or even the Country Club Salisbury Bar. And he actually told us DJs because it's moderately crowded, not too crowded, he said, but he knows most of the guys there, and he meets up with a lot of his friends there, so they usually go to DJs for that. So he likes DJs. He's 45 years old. He's a male. He said he got his bachelor's degree and what I'm not sure, but he said he ended up being an electrical engineer. So that's his job, and he is a white male. Um, he does not live in the suburbs, he said, and he's just a middle class man, and he's dating someone, and he does not have any children. And his thoughts on the fishbowl were just not bad. So it sounds like it's just maybe a backup bar or something, an alternative, not, first choice or first pick. So that's what we're seeing out of a middle class guy, which is probably your most average or, you know, local citizen in Salisbury that's going to the fishbowl. Thank you, and that is my part.